Okay, so hi, this is Merlin. So part one, we talk about the new space about V8 engine, and now we're gonna talk about the Ord space, Ord generation. So what the hell is Ord space or Ord generation? Ord space or Ord generation is where objects are survived the new space for minor GC cycles are moved to. So if you look at this picture, the first time if there's like one garbage collection cycles and if the object from from space from space is semi-space. Yeah, we talk about the semi-space, but by the way, so if there's like garbage cycle, we're gonna just say GC. If there's GC and if it is still using it, we copy the object and we put in the two space. So first time there's GC, and if it's still using it, it copied. And third, it removes from the from space. And second, if it is still using, so if it is still using after GC, so we put this to the ORT space. So ORT space is the one who survived from the new space. So that means like the meaning of the server means like it's still using the reference they're pointing at. Yeah. So survived mean is like it wasn't garbage collected. So before, okay, I'm gonna try to give the diagram to understand easily. This is the heap and stack, and if you see it, we're here with this part, and we're gonna see OR space and what is OR data space. OR pointer space is it contains survived objects that have pointers to other objects. You might think that you might think that or I think all the object are pointing at other object. No, it's not. So this is also my mistake. Do not misunderstand about object, just literally just object. We are talking about the object data types. So in the object data types, there's like array and function. So that means that if there's function and if there's array, that means that it's pointing at the other object. So this is the example. Inside the object, it and and there's the more object inside of the object. So that means like it pointing at the object. Yeah, and this is array is also reference type or object type. So that means like inside the array, if there's like object, that means still it points to the other objects. This is valid also method if there's like object inside the method that's still pointing at it. So next is OR data space. This is kind of hard thing, but if I try to explain it, so it contains objects that just contain data, no pointing to others. Strings, box numbers, and array of unboxed doubles are moved here after surviving in new space for two minor GC cycles. This is kind of hard to understand because you have to understand what is box numbers and unbox number. Before I was like talking about this, before first I study about this, I thought so my question was I thought all of the primitive data types are stored in the stack no matter what. But actually it is not. You can convert yeah. So you can convert the the primitive data type into another data type using method, but we're gonna skip that. Yeah, and that's called boxed. So the meaning of the box is so it that some values are stored with the additional metadata, and that's called boxed. Uh, and a box value might contain the extra data plus information and reference counts and other metadata. And unboxed is just raw value with additional metadata. So this is kind of the most efficient way because unboxed is there's no metadata. So this is kind of easy to V8 to optimize the memory. And also, this is also valid from reference type and data primitive data type. Let's check. This is example of array of unboxed doubles. And if oh sorry, uh, so I give you the example of unboxed and boxed. What is this? So there's a string, and we create the new string. So that is method. And if we try to type console log type of the string, and we got an object. Why? Because we use method to convert it. So that means that this is called boxed, and this is not stored in the stack. It's stored in the heap. So next question. Try to guess this. Is this boxed or unboxed? Yeah, this is unboxed. It is pure. There's no metadata. How about this? It is boxed or unboxed? It is also unboxed because there's no metadata of it. Oh, sorry. There's no metadata and it's pure. So that means like it's double and this element is also double and this element is also double. So all of the element is double. Guess this. Is this boxed or unboxed? The answer is boxed because of course I use method to convert it. And guess this. Yeah, this is unboxed. How about this? The answer is yeah, this is boxed because it's not pure. There's like we have we I thought we had like only doubles in here, but if there's like something string, it's not already unboxed. It is boxed. So why does it matter? If you view the performance side of the box or unbox value are generally faster access and manipulate because it's stored in the stack, and of course stack is much simpler and faster than heap. And the V8 engine optimize optimize unboxed. So this yeah, that's kind of the difference of it. So especially in high performance application, memory uses can be critical, and that matters. So we just talk about the structure of word space, and now next we're gonna talk about the cell space or mass space or code space or large object space.